Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're wondering how to turn off focus mode on your iPhone, I've got you covered. I'll walk you through the steps, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to turn it off easily. Let's get right into it. First, open the Control Center. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. For older models with a home button, swipe up from the bottom. Once you're in the Control Center, you'll see the Focus button. It might show as Do Not Disturb, Sleep, Work, or something else depending on the focus mode you have active. Tap on that focus button and a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see which focus mode is currently active. Simply tap the active mode and it'll turn off right away, restoring your phone to its normal notification behavior. Alternatively, if you prefer using the Settings app, you can go to Settings and tap on Focus. From there, you'll see a list of all the focus modes you've set up. Find the one that's currently active, select it, and toggle it off. Now, if you're not planning to use focus again in the future, or you don't want it to turn on automatically, there's an option to manage the scheduling. While you're in the focus settings, you can check out the scheduling option for each focus mode. You can delete any existing schedules or adjust them to make sure focus only turns on when you want it to. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you later.